welcome back to the Texas Chainsaw. Today we are on the family. See if we can get a win with Bubba. Chicken on my dick. Fuck a bad bitch with a chicken on my dick. Ooh, ooh. Anyway, I hope your day or night is going good. Mine is going great. It's currently 6 a.m. in the morning and I'm recording this shit, so let's hope that I don't pass away while recording this shit. I changed my build recently for Leatherface, so I'm hoping that it sticks. If it doesn't, we are fucked. I went into a match with without all like the perks. You can upgrade your chainsaw 3 different abilities, and I had it default, so I didn't have the instant start on my chainsaw and all that shit, so like I was stalling every 2 seconds. Okay, Leland. Okay, well, he's already low. Is he not in this corner? No, okay. Well, I don't know where he went, but... Oh, he's there. Okay, cool. Oh! Ooh, nice door slam. You're gonna have to try harder than that, buddy. Where is he? And he's gone through again. Is this literally just your tactic? Help! Nice one, bud. Nice one. I don't know what the fuck he was trying to do. But that's 1 down, 3 to go. Gonna make this a real easy video for me, ain't you, buddy? Look at that. A fucking floating chainsaw in your face. Enjoy that, buddy. Enjoy that. Alright, let's go look for the other victims anyway. Yeah, I got a lot of new interesting content coming to the channel. I've got a lot of videos in the works that I'm working on, so y'all boys will be fed for a good like 2-3 months. I'm in my prime right now, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not burnt out. Like last year I got really burnt out from doing YouTube. It was really bad, but we back. We post on the channel every Tuesday and Friday now, instead of just Friday. So we're gonna try and stay consistent with that and see where it goes. But if I do get burnt out or lazy, then it'll be every Friday as usual. Because the main channel is every Tuesday. But I'm still working on the main. So the main channel, I haven't deserted it. It's not abandoned. The main channel is literally just like story games now. So all like the multiplayer games like Rivals and Overwatch and shit like that, like GTA Online, all that will be on this channel now. The main channel is just going to be like campaign games, story games, unedited, because I did the Star Wars Jedi Survivor series and done all the subtitles and edits, and that fucking took me like, as you can see, like there's like years separated from the videos. Like it took me like 2 years to finally do it. Nice, good job, pal. Good job. Oh, you want to play, huh? All these girls in the basement. Best get running, girl. Is that another one? Yeah, it is. It's another one. He's gone in here. Nice. He's gone back through the door. Did he? I think that was Sunny, but he was so, like, dark, I didn't even see where he went. I feel like their plan is to just sit in the basement and just defend all game. I don't know why, but that's not my gut saying. They're just going to sit in there and they just want to fight. They don't actually have any intentions of escaping. Because, like, something would have been open by now. So let me go have another look in the basement, see what they're doing. Feel like I'm gonna regret not doing this, so let me break this. Right, the padlock's gone off of there, I think. Oh. Who's he hitting? Oh, they're chasing her. Right, I'll go down and see if I can kill her. Cause that's Julie now, just fell down here. What's up, Julie? Nice. I set her up so bad, she didn't know which way to go. Well, another floating chainsaw for someone's face. Oh, I can hear Sunny and... No, it's Anna. Hey, Anna. Where did she go? That's so fucking dark. She's over here, I can hear her yapping. She's in this room. Yeah, there she is. Alright, well... I'm not gonna win this encounter because she's got a god loop, so... The most I can do is... break this door and get her to run. We got a good team for once. Normally when I play this game, I just get dumbasses on my team, but... For once, they've actually got a good team. Pretty solid one as well.
Stop the cap.
Like, what the f are they doing in the They're both in the basement. Good, this is open, so I can just run at them. Oh, did not expect to see her there. Shit. What's this guy doing? You good, gang? Guy's creeping, blood. That gate's open. Wait, what? Why was there a red gate opened over there when they haven't got through? Hello? Oh, they have. Idiots. Bro, what the fuck? You know, I take back that you're a solid team. What the fuck? How have you let them get through here? Slacking, my boy. Yeah, Anna's out. Oh, they're both out. There's just so many bubba tables down here, man. Right, he thinks I don't see him, so I'm gonna see if I can get the slam on him. Nice. Oh, I fucking stalled my chainsaw. Bro. Whoa, what? I didn't hit him. I can't be in like 6 places at once, so I'm not really sure. I should probably just hold down generator, to be honest. Oh, they killed someone. Nice. That's surprising. Oh, that's Wyatt. That's really good. Yeah, they're actually. They'll probably go for Grandpa, so I'm gonna try and see if I can camp him. Break this door. Alright, break that as well. Oh, here someone is Danny. He'll probably go down the well now. Let's go! Free kill! You snooze, you lose, Danny. Well, it looks like someone's trying to stab Grandpa, I think. But we're not gonna let that happen. Oh. Let me see if I can get this encounter here. There we go, baby. First proper actual kill cam as well, which is nice. Alright, on you go, boy. Alright. Last guy stabbed Grandpa, so we'll see how that... Oh no, they're chasing him. Yeah, they're definitely chasing him. They're doing the little Scooby-Doo run, and chasing after his ass. Oh, I didn't even see him. He's definitely dead after that. He has to be. Yeah, he is. Oh, hello.
Let me tell you something! Let me tell you something!
What? How did I slam? Oh my fucking god, I hate this game. Hold on, guys. He should die. Kill him. Good. Die, bitch! Die. Good shit, guys. Good shit. Alright, well, those were two decent matches, I'd say. I mean, we actually got a better team that time, so W team, I guess. I'll catch you guys in the next one anyway.
Never take me alive. I'm getting high with my 4-5. Cocked on these suckers, time to die. Even as a youngster, causing ruckus on the back of the bus. I was a fool all through high school, kicking up dust, but now I'm labeled as a troublemaker. Who can you blame? Smoking weed help me take away the pain. So I'm hopeless, rolling down the freeway, swerving. Don't worry, I'm about to crash upon the